If you're searching for the fastest way to learn the Arabic language and you are tired of feeling lost, overwhelmed, or stuck in endless grammar explanations, this video is for you because I will teach you how to learn the Arabic language as fast as how I tie my turban. You know what they fail? Is because they start in the wrong place with the wrong things. In this video, I will take you deep into the classical scholarly books and extract for you clear guidance from scholars like Ibn Faris, like Ibn Khaldun, to answer one critical question. How should you start learning Arabic if you want real progress as fast as possible? This is not theory, this is not modern guessing. This is Arabic language learning explained by scholars who understood language at its roots. I will show you why so many students of knowledge learning the Arabic language as beginners, they get trapped in a never-ending, never-progressing cycle of grammar. They study rules, they memorize terms, but they never speak, they never understand, and eventually they give up. Instead, you will see what scholars themselves emphasize first and how to build Arabic step by step until you can understand the Quran and the Sunnah directly without a translator. That's our goal as Muslims. Before we begin, a quick note for those who are serious of you to learn the Arabic language. If you want a proven Arabic course that is a step-by-step system with teacher feedback, structure, and accountability, check the first link in the description. There you will also be able to see Arabic stories from our students at Al-Andalus Institute, how they learned themselves and how at one point they started and right now they are at a point where they're able to read, to listen, and more importantly, to understand the Quran on their own. If you have ever asked yourself how to learn the Arabic language without wasting years, this video will finally give you clarity. So let's get into it, inshallah.